I think you, like us, were ahead of the curve in terms of calling the global slowdown at a time when, I think the Wall Street consensus was for the synchronized recovery to continue. But if we think globally right now, and I think I might know your answer, where are we in the slowdown? Are we sort of, and what does the future look like, just from a kind of top-down global perspective?
Well, I think that if we look at the slowdown, we are right now in what I would call the day of reckoning, no?
Yeah.
Remember that the entire message from mainstream consensus was that yes, there was a moderate slowdown due obviously using the subterfuge, the excuse of the trade war. The slowdown has absolutely nothing to do with trade war, has everything to do with the excess of demand side policies. So using the excuse of trade wars, everybody was saying, yes, there is a slowdown, but in the second half of 2019, the economy will start to bounce back, and we expect stronger growth in the fourth quarter of 2019 and a moderately higher level of growth in 2020. Where we are right now is in the reality check, is where that consensus is saying, well, guess what? The bounce in the third quarter is not happening, and we start the downgrade of 2020 estimates. We're starting to see the slow, gradual process of bringing down estimates. So what happened into June 2019 was, hey, we're seeing gradual shave off of estimates, but everybody was continued to be bullish about the global economy because there was no evidence of recession. No?
Yep.
Now the risks of recession are starting to build up because at the same time, those same analysts or economists that were calling for a bounce in the data into July, August, and September are seeing, one, that it's not happening, two, that the so-called trade wars are actually getting worse, not better. No, so that doesn't add to a bullish sentiment. So I think that
Right.
where we are right now is in what I call the process in which we go from slowdown to recession risk.